The Scarlet Myzomela is a small bird with a big personality. Despite its tiny size, it commands attention with its vibrant presence. This bird is not just a visual delight but also a symbol of the rich biodiversity found in its habitat. It is famous for its bright red feathers, which stand out brilliantly against the lush green backdrop of its environment. These feathers are not just for show. They play a crucial role in attracting mates and warding off potential rivals. This bird is a favorite among birdwatchers who travel from far and wide to catch a glimpse of its stunning plumage. The Scarlet Myzomela's energetic behavior and striking appearance make it a prized sighting for any bird enthusiast. It lives on islands in the South Pacific where it thrives in the warm, tropical climate. These islands provide the perfect sanctuary for the Scarlet Myzomela, offering abundant food sources and ideal nesting sites. The Scarlet Myzomela is always on the move, darting swiftly between branches and flowers. Its agile flight patterns are a testament to its adaptability and survival skills in the wild. It flits from flower to flower looking for food. The Scarlet Myzomela primarily feeds on nectar, which it extracts with its specialized brush-tipped tongue. This diet not only sustains the bird but also supports the health of the ecosystem. This bird plays an important role in the ecosystem. By feeding on nectar, it inadvertently transfers pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction and contributing to the biodiversity of its habitat. It helps to pollinate plants, ensuring the continuation of various plant species. This symbiotic relationship highlights the interconnectedness of life in the South Pacific Islands. The Scarlet Myzomela is a beautiful and fascinating bird. Its presence is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving these unique ecosystems. It is a true jewel of the South Pacific, embodying the vibrant life and natural beauty of this region. Protecting the Scarlet Myzomela and its habitat is crucial for maintaining the ecological richness of the South Pacific Islands. The Scarlet Myzomela is truly a sight to behold. This small yet striking bird is native to the lush forests and woodlands of the Pacific region, where it thrives in its natural habitat. Its presence is often announced by its vibrant plumage, which stands out against the green foliage. The male bird is a vision in scarlet. With its bright red feathers, it is one of the most eye-catching birds in the region. The intensity of its color is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in its survival and reproduction. Its feathers are a vibrant, fiery red, almost as if they are glowing. This striking coloration is due to the presence of carotenoid pigments, which the bird obtains from its diet of nectar and insects. These pigments are responsible for the brilliant red hue that makes the Scarlet Myzomela so distinctive. This bright color helps the bird to attract mates. During the breeding season, the male Scarlet Myzomela puts on a spectacular display, fluffing up its feathers and performing intricate dances to catch the eye of a potential mate. The red feathers are most bright during the mating season. This is when the male birds are at their most vibrant, using their dazzling plumage to stand out from the competition and win the favor of a female. This is when the male birds are trying to attract a female. The courtship rituals are a fascinating display of nature's beauty, with the male showcasing his feathers and singing melodious songs to impress the female. The color is less bright outside of mating season. When the breeding season is over, the male's feathers lose some of their intensity, blending more with the surrounding environment to avoid predators. The Scarlet Myzomela is a small bird, but it has a big presence. Despite its size, it commands attention with its vivid coloration and lively behavior, making it a favorite among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Its bright red plumage makes it impossible to miss. Whether perched on a branch or flitting through the trees, the Scarlet Myzomela's fiery feathers are a beacon of color in the forest, a testament to the wonders of the natural world. The Scarlet Myzomela has a big appetite for such a small bird. It eats mainly insects. This bird is always on the lookout for a tasty treat. The Scarlet Myzomela uses its long, thin beak to catch insects. It eats beetles, ants, and spiders. This bird plays an important role in controlling insect populations. The Scarlet Myzomela is a valuable part of the ecosystem. Its diet helps keep the insect population balanced. Section 4. Island Home, Habitat, and Distribution. The Scarlet Myzomela is found on a few islands in the South Pacific. These islands are known for their rich biodiversity and unique ecosystems. The Scarlet Myzomela, with its vibrant red plumage, stands out as one of the most striking inhabitants of these islands. It lives in New Guinea and surrounding islands. New Guinea, the world's second-largest island, offers a variety of habitats, from lowland rainforests to mountainous regions. The Scarlet Myzomela thrives in these diverse environments, adapting to the different altitudes and climates found across the island. This bird prefers to live in forests. The dense canopy provides ample food sources and protection from predators. The Scarlet Myzomela is often seen flitting through the trees, searching for nectar and insects to feed on. The Scarlet Myzomela makes its home in trees. These birds are highly territorial and can often be seen defending their chosen tree from intruders. Their bright red feathers make them easy to spot against the green foliage. It builds its nest out of twigs and leaves. The nests are carefully constructed to provide a safe and secure environment for their eggs and chicks. The Scarlet Myzomela is known for its meticulous nest-building skills, often choosing well-hidden spots to avoid detection. This bird is well-suited to island life. Its ability to adapt to different habitats and food sources makes it a resilient species. The Scarlet Myzomela has evolved to thrive in the unique conditions of island ecosystems, making it a fascinating subject for ornithologists and birdwatchers alike. The Scarlet Myzomela is a common sight on these islands. Birdwatchers from around the world visit these islands to catch a glimpse of this beautiful bird. Its striking appearance and lively behavior make it a favorite among bird enthusiasts. It is a welcome splash of color in the green forests. The Scarlet Myzomela's bright red plumage contrasts beautifully with the lush green surroundings, adding a touch of vibrancy to the forest landscape. Its presence is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that these islands support. Section 5. A flurry of activity, foraging, and territorial behavior. The Scarlet Myzomela is a very active bird. It is always on the move, searching for food. This bird is also very territorial. The Scarlet Myzomela will defend its territory from other birds. It will chase away any intruders. This bird is small, but it is fearless. The Scarlet Myzomela is a fascinating bird to watch. Its energetic behavior is always entertaining.